perfect bike. It's not a tiny bike, it's an optimal bike for every day. I usually ride my bike every day, but this one I could even fold into my car and then just take it and go into the city, whatever. It's really light, it's powerful, you have the full capacity of everything, the brakes are great, unfolding was self-explaining. It's a perfect bike. It even has a horn. It's just great. I like it, and I would definitely buy it because it's tiny, it's super practical regarding all the things I said, and the price seems to me like a present. I would buy it.